Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Dum dum dum. So easy. Go to canva.com, sign in, go right here where it says search, YouTube thumbnail. Now you guys, canva.com is free. You could use it. It's free. Now there's a whole bunch of YouTube thumbnail templates that's gonna pop up that you could use from if you want to use it. But I don't use any of it. I'm going to make my own. Go here, create a blank YouTube thumbnail, click on it, it's gonna pop up. Now click on this to make your background color. Go up here, background color. Now there's a whole bunch of color to choose from. I'm going to go with pink. Now we're going to add some words to it. Go over here where it says text. Click on it. Go up here where it says add the text box. Click on it. Now, you can make this big, small, whichever. I'm going to make it big. Like that. Erase that. Now we're going to type how to. Let's make that bigger. Click over here. I will make it bigger. Now right here, you click on that and that's going to move it. You can move it to wherever you want. How to. Move it up here. Okay. Let's change this to a different color. So what you do is go up here. I'm going to make it white. Alright. Go to the next. Go up here. Make it big. Move it. Go up here. Click on it. Make it big. Click on this. Move it. Go up here. Click on it. Go up here, click on it. Now, make this a little bit even. Go up here, move it. Go up there. Move this. Move that. Move this over here. Alright, I'm going to leave that one black. I'm going to change this one to red. Make this one yellow. Make this one blue. Light blue. Now, if I want to put a picture of myself on here, I go right here, Google. I'm going to use this one and put it over here. Move it over a little. Now, if you want to add stickers to it, go to Elements. I'm going to use this one. Wait, let's see if they got better arrows to use. Let's try this one. Alright. Now, make this smaller. Now you can rotate it. It goes around. Oops. Move this. I'll put it right there. Make it smaller. We'll see how that looks. Let's see if I could change that color. Or should I leave it black? I think that looks good. Alright, y'all. I showed you guys how to make a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Real simple. Go ahead and try it out. It's fun. If you guys like this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching.